Let's learn how you can remove the professional account on Instagram. So welcome back to another simple app tutor video everyone. If you want to switch your Instagram account from a professional to a personal account or a creator account, then I'm going to show you how you can do just that in this simple step-by-step tutorial. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss any steps. And before we start with the tutorial, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this in the future. And without wasting your time, let's start with the video. The first step is to open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android phone and then select your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. And as you can see, I have this professional dashboard option on my profile, which means my Instagram account type is a professional one. In order to change that, you want to tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen and then select this Settings and Privacy button. When you open Instagram settings, you'll see this Creator Tools and Controls option, so open it. Now on the bottom of this page you should see a button called Switch Account Type and you want to tap on that. This is going to give us two different options. We can switch our account to a personal one or a creator one. Select the account type which you want and then you'll get a message depending on what you chose. I selected a personal account, and it says here that when I switch back, then my insights will be turned off and all of the insights from my content and promotions will be permanently removed. So keep that in mind. All of that data and insights you had with the professional account will be deleted and removed, and you won't be able to recover that data. You'll no longer have a professional dashboard, so if you are sure you want to switch, simply tap on this Switch to Personal account and that's it. That's how you can easily remove the professional account on Instagram. If this video helped you out, then leave a comment down below and I'll see you in the next video.